Right then, today we bring you another Corsa Vauxhall video. I've told my brother he can't touch his car. If he modifies it in any way, he needs to let me know. This is one of the longest ones we'll probably do on the job because he's just a dick. It's literally like, it's like 4 o'clock in the afternoon and he's like, come and take my exhaust off. Some geezer's coming in an hour to take my exhaust and he's getting a new custom one. So, as you do, you've gone there and it started to rain, so what we're going to do, we're going to jack it up. I'm not jacking it up, he can do all the hard work and I'll just remove all the bolts. So yeah, we're going to jack the car up. I'm going to show you how to take off the standard Corsa Vauxhall. Well, his is a Berg, but it's all the same shit. So yeah, let's get cracking and show you what to do. Right then, so problem we're having straight away, the jack seems to catch that before it actually gets on the jacking point. So what we're going to do, we're going to jack up the back bit first with this one and then hopefully get that underneath it and go up. So yeah, I'll get back to you when that is up in the air. So this is what we call suicide jack. If you're jacking up a car, yeah, do not use this. This is like the worst jack ever. You know, like if I had a flat tyre or something on the motorway, I wouldn't even attempt to jack it up with that. I've had it before where the jack's just collapsed and folded.
Yeah, it's done that to me when we see it.
It's made out of plastic, so yeah, stay safe, guys. Right then, so we're going to start at the top. Basically you've got your O2 sensor which connects onto this plug. I'm just going to take everything off the car. So yeah, I'm just going to disconnect this, which will be this plug. Pull up, O2 sensor's released. We're going to undo the V-band clamp. Theoretically undo that V-band clamp, then this will fall down. So yeah, let's go. Oh my god, there's a massive oil leak. Oh, you know that because you're a piker. Right then, 8mm. It's definitely 8mm, don't lie to me.
I think so.
There we go. Theoretically, loosen this off.
Clamp.
Yeah. Can they see me? Can they see me?
Yeah.
Go on, lads and ladies. Theoretically, this should pop the downpipe off. Oh, the subframe bolts and everything, man. So, D-cat is off. So this is the pre-cat. So this is for sale if anyone wants to buy it potentially. How much you pay for it? 190 quid.
195.
195, but he's getting a full system that comes in like a 2-piece D-cat. So
done about 200 miles.
Yeah.
If that.
So
mint.
Yeah.
There's the clamp. Boom. Bartender flip.
Oh, yeah.
Still going.
I don't know what you're doing, mate. He's having a mare. Right then, let's get under the vehicle where it's dark and you can't see nothing. Right, cheers, mate. Oh, I love it. You know when you can't see fuck all, and you're like, oh yeah, undo that bolt where you can't see nothing. So, right then, so there's a subframe bolt. There's one there, and then there is one just a bit further up, to be fair. So undo that one as well, that one there, and then that last video with that, it went from bumpers off to the cooler's disappeared. Right mate, let's use the cooler. But I didn't video it. Right, you video it, have you? I don't know how you're actually going to get me from there because you need to
go on. Yeah, we sound.
Well, obviously, I'm thin, so I can get under it easy breezy. Whoa. Oh, that's
dark. I don't know if you can see that. You're on record, mate.
Sound. The car's too low, so I can't get the gun in on it. But
there you are. Good focus on that.
Is it?
This far. How far's the way?
Stop rubbing your nuts, you're on camera. So obviously, as usual, yeah.
Look.
Take me off. So as usual, yeah, I've gone under there with the old big guns, and then I've let my younger brother have a go, and he's managed to crack it off. So next time, yeah, you're gonna crack it off, and then I'm gonna take it off, right? So O2 sensor out. 2 of the supporting like brackets that hold the exhaust in place, they're out. And then it's literally centre pipe, there's a flange on that. Undo that. That looks like a 15 or 16 mil, but obviously my brother will show you that because he's going to be undoing that. And then we'll go for the rear of the car, and then theoretically we should be off. Ready? So right, we're undoing the rear quarter, which connects to the back box. There we go, baby.
You can't hold their head until so many months.
Right, so I've done this all on my own, yeah. Some people can't find spanners, sockets a lot, so. Wow. Bastard. Now, got a spanner sitting.
Can't find them because you're lying on all of them.
That front cat's being a bastard. Oh, we got one. Right then, so what we've done, underneath it there's 3 hangers. There's one that goes over the, basically what the wheels connect to. What's it called, man? I forgot.
What are you on about?
What the wheels connect. Aaron, what do the wheels connect to? That fucking, the big thing.
The rear axle?
That's it, the rear axle. So there's a hanger on the rear axle, undone that, like a flathead, and pop the rubber off. Now there's 2 hangers on the back. It's a 13 mil jobby, 2 bolts one side, 2 bolts the other side. Theoretically, exhaust should drop out, and then we should pull the exhaust out. So let's go.
Well, I can't really see much. Oh yeah, you got it. Big ugly shit back box, I must say. It's got like, it looks like underseal on it, you know.
Right then, so you guessed it, it's raining. Sound, Louis. Yeah, the exhaust is here, getting rather wet. But yeah, exhaust is off. Back box off. Take it off, or yeah. So sweet. Right then, so the Corsa is now exhaustless. Louis, just tell the people what you actually did.
Nothing.
Right then, it's arrived. That's a decent upgrade, that is, to be fair. Mine weren't even 3-inch and that. But that has got some absolute girth on it, that has. So yeah, let's get it on. Right then, so what we're going to do first, we're going to try and align the pre-cat up and get the pre-cat in place. And then when that's done in place, O2 sensors, and then we'll focus on getting the rear quarter section in, so let's go. Right then, so what you've got to do, yeah, you've got to get the flange of the exhaust to line up with that there. Trying to do this O2 sensor from an awkward angle is a bit crap, and when you're spinning it, it's twisting up the cable, so we can't actually see how to remove the clip from the cable, so we're just trying to wing it basically, but we don't want to ruin the cable, because if you do that, you're going to need a new O2 sensor. So yeah, ball ache, mate.
Bang, straight into me, pinned to the wall.
As I've done that many of these clamps, I am gonna. I could put like a tenner on it. It's gonna blow. I think it will. That went on way too easy to be sealed. Ready, steady.
It's not done up tight.
Then so we put it on first time and it blew like hell. I've got my hand in there, Aaron's got his hand in there, my brother's actually held the D-cap. Sometimes you just need to line it up. If it's not lined up properly, then it's going to blow like hell. So flanges are all good, it's not obstructing the actuator, so make sure this bolt isn't in the way of that, because if you do end up driving it and you think, whoa, I've got no boost, because that is hitting that. So yeah, let's put the rest together.
you. What?
Right then, can you actually see what I'm videoing?
I'm not sure, it's hard.
Use the screen.
Pop it out.
Right, so tighten up the clamp that goes from the full decat that goes onto the centre to rear box. Then we've got a bracket which is here, hold the exhaust in place, which is there, so that's getting done up. Right then, so now what we're doing, we are going to connect the back box to the rear pipe, and then put the brackets in, do it all. Job's good. Right, always wear PPE because I've got no eye sockets. The only way I know this is the keys because I can feel it. Actually, you don't care. I think this is going to be sweet as a nut. If it's going to be leaking from the centre pipe, it's just one you done up right.
Yeah, I didn't do it too much. Well,
do that. Always works, man.
Woo! Like a little kitten.
Oh yeah, I forgot you get piston 4 with these. Blowing stuff. You happy?
Yeah man, sounds absolutely neat.
Yeah, go on. Lou, what you saying? You like it?
Yeah man, unreal. Proper deep tones.
Do you know what I like about it? The fact that when you're driving normally, it's not even
not
that
bad.
It's
And then
not
when you
even
put
that.
your foot down, it's got
So yeah. Piper, 3-inch Piper exhaust system,
Unbelievable.
non-resonated, full decat. What you saying? Love it.
absolute beautiful.
Loving it. There you go. So that is the decat exhaust.
Yeah, man.
The Corsa. Oh, you enjoyed? So yeah, that is it for this video. Hope you all enjoyed, man. We spent ages, and nice one to the lad that dropped the exhaust off. It is absolutely unreal. So yeah, thank you, and see you on the next one. Peace.